There are a bazillion, right, Raphael? A bazillion videos about pulling lists and leads from Zillow. I have yet, and I researched this, I researched to see if there was anybody pulling this list, and there is nobody out there, so this is going to be fresh for everybody. All right, so what I want you to do is this. I want you to get in here, and I'm going to just put in I'm going to put in Phoenix, because we're in Phoenix. I get it, you're not in Phoenix, but just bear with me. I'm going to go for rent, right? It's going to pop this thing up. Now, what I want you to do here is, you're going, well, Brent, I don't want for rent. That's weird. Why do I want rentals? Well, guess where most of the deals that we get are from? Tired landlords. Absolutely.
I mean, if you like fixing toilets, then you can be a landlord. A lot of people don't. So
not only that, but a lot of people are exhausted of it.
Yeah.
And a lot of people bought properties.
Yep.
They depreciated it. It was a strategy, and now they want to get rid of it. And I'm telling you guys, in my business, 80% of the deals we do are from tired landlords.
Well, also for rent properties, you're right in the middle. The property's not cash flowing; it's just sitting there. It's a sitting duck. So, I mean, the owner is losing money day by day. So
right.
It's a hot list.
So right here, I want you for rent, okay? Now, this is a bummer because in for sale, you can do this little drop down and it lets you do it by owner, but for rent, it doesn't let you do that, and that's a bummer. But I'm gonna show you how to kind of hack it a little bit, all right? Now, the home type, I want you just focusing on houses. All right, I want you focusing on houses just because I want you to get bigger deals. Typically, they're going to be bigger deals. The pool of buyers is bigger for single-family houses than it is for townhouses and condos and land. Not to say you can't do phenomenal deals from that, but I want you focusing on houses. Now here, what I want you to do is I want you to go into the more section, and I want you to go to year built, and I want you to put the max year built at 1990. All right, 1990. I want these properties older. I want them to have a little bit of grime on them. I want them a little wear and tear. You know what I mean?
That's where the money is.
Deferred maintenance. I want a little bit of rust on it. I want it to be a little bit rough. All right. So I want that. Now, here you can go here and go on Zillow for 30 days. I don't know why. For some reason, it doesn't. It's not really accurate, but at least it'll give you some of the ones that have been on for a while. All right, and then we're done there. And then I want you to go to this. See this little sorted by? I don't want it newest. I want it low to high. All right. And you're looking at these properties and you're going, okay, these are, imagine this. You've got landlords that have properties that haven't been updated, that are vacant, and oh, by the way, they have their accurate phone number right there for free. You don't even have to skip trace it. And listen, some of these properties I would skip trace for sure to get the accurate phone number, but some of these are listed by the owner. That's what we're looking for. If you go after the property management ones, that's fine. It's okay. But a lot of those property management guys are just going to shrug you off. They don't care. They're too busy. They're doing stuff. They're running around. They've got probably the toughest work in real estate. So what I'm looking for here is I'm looking for pictures like this. This is fantastic. I'm looking for pictures that it looks like they took it with their cell phone. Now listen, this one here, I haven't seen it. This looks like it is a property management, but this looks a little rough, right? This might be one that we grab and we skip trace, but we're not talking about that right now. Right now we're talking about free leads. So ignore all these ones here. You can kind of see, sorry, I got to adjust for the bubble here of us. You've got these here, and then I'm looking for properties that, yes, here we go. This looks good. Look at this. No property manager is going to take this picture, right? With the cars in front and only one picture. And let's see. Let's look at this, guys, right here. Listed by property owner. Kristen, phone number. You call her up. Hey, Kristen, I saw your ad on Zillow. I know that you're looking to rent it, but I'm actually looking to buy a home in that area. Would you consider an offer on that property? Yes, no, maybe, right? Those are the responses that you're going to get typically. And then from there, say they say no. No, I love my rental properties. I want to build my portfolio. Guess what you get? Cash buyer.
You got a cash buyer.
Cash buyer.
You add them over to your list. Also, a lot of renters, when they're by owner, they usually have weird numbers on the price point. Like this one is a flat $1,500 a month. It's just like little tells like that.
Yep.
Help you pick it up.
So what you're looking for is this little thing right here.
Yep.
Listed by property owner. Listen, guys. Well, Brent, that seems like a lot of work. This is free. I'm telling you, this is just a little niche. If you're in there and you're making calls and you're being proactive in your business and you're like, everybody's getting the same calls. Everybody's telling me they've heard from 10, 15, 20 people today. Great. Well, guess who isn't? Dig a little bit deeper. You can do this all day. And the best thing, look at this. This is gorgeous. And I haven't signed in, so you probably have to, but you can save this search. And anyway, you can sign in, just make an account, but you can save this search and it automatically sends you instantly new for rent listings. You look at it on your phone and look at it, scroll down real quick to the little section here that says listed by property owner. You click their phone number and you're talking to them. It takes 5 seconds. You're getting listings all the time. Now, are you going to get a bunch that are property management? Are you going to get a bunch that don't really fit this box? Absolutely. But this is just a slick way to be able to make contacts right away with people that have property, that are landlords that have a rental portfolio, and a lot of them want to get rid of them. A lot of them that need a lot of love, they need a lot of renovation, they want to get rid of them, and you're going to find opportunities. I'm telling you, I have a student out of California that is doing business in Boise, Idaho, made over $400,000 with this technique. Don't sleep on this. Don't sleep on this. It takes a little bit of work, but listen, you got to trade work if you don't have the budget. Or if you have a team and you have an acquisition manager and you want to see if they have hustle, how about this exercise? How about you set them up on these automatic emails? They get it every day and they have to call them and see if there's opportunities that they can find for your business. How about that? It's fantastic. If you like this video, smash that subscribe button because we put out new videos every single day. And if you have a question that you want me to answer personally, join us live every Wednesday.